Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Rembak kejala ke jongi ke meklia kontrak ki sama man penyang buram ya ukun kedu jong kaseng kongres bolon penyesno no sya kaseng NPP mentaksi baroni uladi ukun kadu jong se kongres bat ya kwa NP kala priang sya ke yung kasem jongki banlong ku moi udukot bapura ha kajala kaji hantam hakaseng sinsar langsar dakseng NPP ngitip entah bak kajala meklia kadan repungut ki MLA bat hak happening dengan repungut live langut itu tanang seng NPP manusia keladan belarung swa langut yu bak Gabriel bak Charles Malnga bat Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh mentah bak kadu kadai bat ya iba Ronnie V Lyngdoh MLA jong Kamaling konstitusi miyui barak si kata senam ngasih kajala meklia kade kajala kabujusna record kabujusna khana history ya kajinglong jemban jong kasing samrkhie kajala jungi bamanta bakaseng kongres keladu batla khliap katno naka yang assembly badan republik MLA bamanta ka NPP kala pliat ya ka kitab jongka kabadan hadu lifeline mut ki MLA te ki ba kebasak manta hakal yang persa kedang kentop stang ke WPP bat ke TMC hakal yang pedang buram ya uba Roni ni iba menteri rombak kejala ukanat ki sangma ubadir presiden jong national people party lopiang subha bala IU ya ka form bansan balang udukot bapura te hanir ngi ladan langru uba hamlet doling ubri pingkini lambat orang yukun bailek persa ya ubak Lyngdoh ha ke election arjar power pat dai hang ni iba ke jindong kam jong pai ba
I request our national president, Ronnie, escort us. May I do a constitution, Iba Ronnie? My conscience did not allow it. I had won from the Indian National Congress and I had a duty to stay loyal to my party and to the people who had voted for me. But over time, I traveled across Malaysia. I didn't go with speeches or lectures. I went with my ears open. I listened more, talked less, and the people I met, elders, youth, women, farmers, friends in the tea shops, etc., their messages are clear. Baroni, you have served well, but now is the time to take one bold step to bring all-round, real all-round development. It wasn't a sudden decision. It was like waiting outside the kitchen. And my wife is a good cook. So you smell something delicious. You smell it, you want it, but you wait for permission first. And in this case, the permission came from my people. Without that, I wouldn't have taken this step. Let me clarify something that some people whisper about. There were no preconditions. for me to join the NPP. No deal, no offer, no shortcuts. I joined because I saw a path to work, not just talk. And today I'll relate a program where the Honorable Chief Minister went, and you could see the smile on the faces of the people where he has introduced this floriculture mission, growing lilium flowers. And we were told, Madam Aprin was there. There was a family that started the business with 1 lakh. The turnover now is 1 crore. That is what compelled me to join the party, to give my hands to the Honorable Chief Minister who walks the talk. We've had leaders who talked and talked and talked, but we've had a leader now who talks less but walks the talk and works. And for your information, I was surprised. And of course, I must be grateful to Madam Amprin and of course, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Bob Prestone. They've earmarked, and I think I'll encourage some of my people also, sir, to take up lilium cultivation. The Chief Minister has allotted 240 crores over 3 years for people to take up lilium farming. Yes, yes, and mostly the best part is in our area. So we need leaders like our Chief Minister. We need leaders like Barbara Stone. I've raised so many issues in the House, especially regarding the roads, regarding the nightmare that we face day in and day out. And Barbara Stone has always responded, and I'm sure now I'd request him in front of my people to expedite the Laos-Oton road also, so that, when there is traffic jam, of course, this he has assured in the House, and, these are the kind of leaders that we want to talk to, we want to work with, because, the people deserve it. We are there to serve the people, and I think the people deserve it, deserve good leadership, and that is what compelled me to join the National People's Party, because
But iing jongi NPP mentakasni dengar part ai UABW suaban Southern man. Bamakus awam
ikan met ke bakoi kan kenyo aga jing start di sempan kenap gelap ban yelam yang digari
Akuli sibon bahamna darling di kibuan nakon namalim konsensi pat ingilang baro Kebaya jong kayi kabenta kabalong kerpang hakaba kani kapo inyo
bahkan jikublai ke kerdet telet si baru ni pat sapi baru ki perlu kebenaran di kapor sabangan song ai kebisin bar fai baru beli kapor